Jag är ganska nära. Oh, där.
He doesn't like us handling the right. Yeah, it's like that.
When a male's born, obviously the female will hunt for him, just like she'll hunt for the daughters. But when he's about 3.5, 4 years old, he gets kicked out by the father. And at 4 years old, he's definitely not big enough to have his own territory. He's got to spend 2 to 3 years by himself.
We're just walking by this area actually.
You can see how he twitches heavily when he gets close to it. You know that kind of rude.
Well done. So this is a bungee jumping place in Soweto. Unfortunately, I'm not going to bungee jump today because it's closed. Too bad, right?
But here, that's Baragwana Hospital.
Okay.
The building there.
In case we fall, we can go there.
Yeah.
It's reassuring.
Thank you.
We survived.
See what I said otherwise?
That's house cat behavior right there.
That's face rubbing, you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the right thing, he's doing the right thing.
And if you oof, he farted there. It's very nice. Oh wow! Let's walk. Let's go.
Minerals.
And that's minerals and vitamins,
Yeah.
just to make sure that they get. You can have too much vitamin or too much mineral. It just becomes you produce expensive urine. But it's better to have expensive urine than to have a mineral deficiency.
Yeah.
And one of the things, interesting thing, you see that's holding that with its claws, but not with the front claws, with the dew claws.
Yeah.
Have you seen a dog? A dog sometimes has like a little thing hangs there, a piece of the vet normally cuts it off because it's become vestigial. It's, they're not used anymore. But they're using their dew claws very effectively. They hook their dew claws in, don't use the front claws at all, and eat.